It's late, but we're doing no couch challenge, no gang. No couch challenge on that good. You know what I'm saying? The no couch challenge, no couch challenge. No couch challenge. Subscribe to your boy. I don't do a lot of smoking videos, so this gonna be the first no couch challenge. It's that Kush. Ooh. Yes, sir. All it is. Yeah, I love all of it. No couch challenge. You already know we outside. Can't smoke in the house, man. Got kids. No couch challenge. I don't want to lose this. I don't want to lose. No.
But you gonna.
No. No losing. No losing.
What's up, Lee?
Every blue moon be smoking videos, but not so often because I got kids and shit watching. You feel me? You feel me? What's going on? Halfway through the blunt, no cough. Ooh. Halfway through it, no coughing. No gang. You already know what it is. We ain't gonna make this video too long. You feel me? It wanna come up, but I ain't gonna let it. No gang in the building. You already know. We ain't gonna make this video too long. Like I say, it's everyday posts. Every day. Everyday posts, man. Everyday posts for y'all people. So y'all what we be getting into. Working and getting money, that's all we can do. Huh? No couch challenge. No gang, subscribe.